Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A25 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here in this list we have to find the section with the apps, so let's tap on it. Then let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on special access in the middle. Now we have to localize the option Install Unknown Apps. And as you can see, right here we've got the list which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case to install some content. And of course we can easily change it just by tapping on the switcher. So for example in the Chrome, we can see that right now it is allowed to install something. Of course, it works the same with all other apps, but be aware because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on this app and on the switcher, and from now on, the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.